There's a new trend I see, people not wearing shoes in the gym for things like weightlifting. And the idea is that you are letting your foot grab the floor. So you have a wider base of support, your toes are able to spread out, and you're able to utilize the strength in your whole system, your whole kinetic chain. I love the idea. You can accomplish that same thing with a barefoot shoe, and then you don't have to take off your shoes. I personally wouldn't really want to take off my shoes in a gym environment. That people sweat in there. It's a little bit icky. There's just a high traffic area, so something like shoes can give you a little bit of a hygiene barrier, but still give you that feel of the floor that you're looking for. There are these, so these have been very popular, the weightlifting CrossFit shoes that are supposed to have a little bit more contact with the floor, but they're pretty stiff, and these do not have the barefoot feel, and so people are just taking off their shoes and going for that barefoot, which is great, but you don't even need to take your shoes off. You can just wear a barefoot shoe. So, dare to be bare.